Did you know invisible rays from the sun can permanently alter the blueprint of your life? We're diving into how radiation causes specific errors in your genetic code. Your cells have a complex DNA repair system constantly fixing errors. However, when damage is too severe or frequent, the replication process fails, leading to a permanent gene mutation that can trigger disorders. The mechanism behind this is ionizing radiation. It carries enough energy to strip electrons from atoms, creating charged particles called ions that physically break the chemical bonds holding your DNA strands together. Not all mutations are equal. If they happen in somatic cells, you might develop localized health problems, but if the mutation occurs in your reproductive gametes, it can be passed down to future generations. Every day, we face mutagens like chemicals and biological agents. While viruses like HIV insert genetic material directly, radiation works by attacking the structure itself, causing the cell to replicate incorrectly during division. Understanding this process empowers you to protect your genes. By limiting exposure through a healthy lifestyle and avoiding unnecessary radiation, you can significantly reduce the risk of these harmful structural alterations. So, while our repair systems are robust, the initial strike of ionizing radiation leaves a scar on your genetic material. This is why understanding the source of these invisible threats is vital for long-term health. Now you understand how radiation alters our genes and why protection matters. What other environmental factors do you think impact your DNA? Let me know in the comments.